Hi everybody, welcome to my bead class, and today we're going to make a cute pair of dangle earrings. I'm going to show you how to make one earring and then you can go on with the second earring. Alright, first thing you're going to need is an earring finding. It looks like this. Don't get one with more than 3 holes, but you can get these at any craft store. You're going to need an earring hook, either a fish hook or I like kidney wires because they don't fall off my ears. You're going to need 3 beads for each one. These are 6mm crystal beads. You're going to need some little accent beads. These are 3mm. You're going to need 6 for each earring and 3 head pins for each earring. Now I also am going to have some kits linked down below, so that way if you just want to buy all the earring kit itself, it'll have everything you need in it other than the tools, of course. So you're going to need a pair of flat nose pliers, some wire cutters, and some round nose pliers. Now I particularly like these round nose pliers because they step from small on up to large, and today we're going to be using the second smallest one. I'm going to show you how to do that in just a little bit. Alright, first thing we're going to do is take a head pin. You've got a little head on the edge. I don't know if you can see that, but that's a bead stopper. So I'm going to put 1 accent bead there. I'm going to add a crystal bead, and another accent bead. We're going to lay that down here, and I'm going to go ahead and do all 3. So accent bead. It's not always easy to find the hole. Crystal bead, and an accent bead. You see that? Okay, I'll put that there. And the last one. Okay, accent bead, crystal bead, and an accent bead. So all 3 of those will go right there. I'm going to move this over. And so now we have the components that we need. I'm going to grab my round nose pliers and one of my strands. I'm going to use the second largest round part here. I'm going to put it about 3/16 away from this top bead, and I'm going to pull it down until I feel the bead touch the pliers. Then I'm going to take the other end, and still holding the pliers tight, I'm going to wrap it around like that all the way, and then I'm going to take my thumbnail and just pull it down to a 90-degree angle. So it will look like this. Okay, I'm going to do that with all 3 pieces. Make sure you use the second smallest edge of the pliers, alright, till it touches, then all the way around, and use your thumb to make a 90-degree angle. It doesn't matter if it's spaced a little bit here. That's all going to be corrected as we go. Alright, one more till it's touching, all the way around, and 90-degree angle. Simple as that. Alright, next we're going to take our earring finding. I'm going to show it to you. So you can see it's got 3 little holes on the bottom. and that's what we're going to use. So I'm going to start with my earring binding. I'm going to push it through this way and just kind of loop it around until this part is facing forward. I'm going to turn it and hold it this way with my flat nose pliers. I'm going to kind of squeeze those together a little bit and hold it just like this. Got to hold it flat. Alright, then I'm just going to take my wire, going to loop it around once, as tight as I can get it with my fingers, and twice till it's facing the back. Now, I need to clip my wire. I hope I didn't get out of range again. But clip. Always hold the top of it when you clip so it doesn't fly on you. Okay. Next, I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and I'm going to gently turn and squeeze. Don't get rough with it because you don't want to flatten it out or bend it, but what you want to do is take your finger and feel it. And if you feel the edge, then keep going around and just gently squeezing until you can't feel the edge anymore. And it doesn't need a hard squeeze. You can kind of feel it move a little bit. Alright, I can't feel that anymore, so now I straighten it up and my first dangle is on. Okay, I'm going to put the second one on. So it's going to turn toward me. I'm going to hold it and just flatten it like so. I'm going to turn this once and twice. Like so. I'm going to flip it over, trim my wire. Okay, now I'm just going to push with my pliers and push and turn, squeeze and turn until I can't feel where I cut it. So takes a second sometimes. Helps to just go up on the pliers just a little bit, just to get a little bit more grip. But when you can't feel it, you're good. Last one. Okay. Hold it there. Okay, turn. And again. Just go twice. Just make sure you're wrapping it around the wire and not catching the bead here. Now another trick you can do is once you get it wrapped a little bit, just kind of take your pliers and pull on it a little bit to tighten it up. Not too hard though. Alright, hold the end, clip. And I'm feeling for the end of my wire, which is right there. And I'm gently turning and mashing. Ah, perfect. Okay. So now all the dangles are on the earring. To add the ear wire, again with a kidney wire, I just kind of loop it from the front, turn it that way so it adheres like that, and clip it. And drop. Okay. These earrings are done. Thank you. Have a great day.